his natural habitat. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. Are you feeling comfortable? Little man. Let's go. Your special swing. Are you feeling comfortable? Little man. Say people hi. Hi there. Look, 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 look. Look, take a look who is there. Little naughty man. Hiding under mama's pajama. Max, there is a spider, look! Come to see. Spider! Look, look, look! Spider! Did you see it? Did you see a spider? Spider! Look, 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 look! Spider! We have a real masterpiece. The great artist is finishing his work, and we got a real masterpiece made by Max. Super work, super job, well done, little man. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Come on, give me 5. Great job. Thank you. Are we going to cook it? Put it on the frying pan. Now put it on the stove. Kindle the fire. You need to kindle the fire. You decided to make a new version how to stick a Play-doh on mommy. Maximsha, it's not possible. A real masterpiece is by Max. Join our Crafty Hands Club, guys. We're gonna do better and better and better. Yoo! Tick, 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 tick. Boop. Give me 5. Boom! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yoo-hoo! You have 8 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 markers. Can you please show everyone your hands?
Great.
Show your hands. Such a beauty. And your nose, your Coco nose. Show mommy your hands. Show your hands. Wow! You're such a great painter. So which color you want first? Blue? Let me unwrap it. Blue. On the desk, Maxush. On it, yes, cut it. Now take a form. Good job. It's a palm print. You have a duck. Look, a duck.
Black.
Black. Okay, you want black. Black. You are making black duck? Max is making a black duck. Look, now you have a black duck. Yellow. Cut it. Cut a small piece. Can you make a star for mommy? Can you please make a star for mommy? Star is going to be yellow. Great choice. You can roll it, Maxim. You can roll it. Do you know that you can roll it? Good job, little man. Pink? Okay. We are going to use pink. Pink. You know how to do it well. Now you have a star. Pink star. Look. Take a look, Maxush. Pink star. Orange. Okay. Now we are going to use orange. Oh! Cut a piece. Look, Mama, I'm gonna show you. You take a small piece. Small piece. Yellow, yellow. Now we have yellow star. Red. Now we are going to use red. Red color. Red. Okay. Look, we have pink, we have red, we have orange. Green. 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 Oh my gosh. What are you doing, little man? But you're so excited. You're making real art. Oh, you're using a letter C. Show mommy. Show mommy. What is it? Can I see? We have a letter C. And great artist Max is making his first great, incredible, wow, something. Max, what are you doing? Can you tell mommy? Can you explain your friends what exactly you are trying to create? You're so creative, my little man. Yes. That's incredible. You mixed all colors that you got. What do we have over here? Oh, you got a doggy somewhere, a duck. Wow, white color. What are you cooking, little man? We have 4 plates. Pink, розовый, yellow, желтый, green, зеленый, blue, синий. Look, purple. Did we learn all colors, Max? Purple. Purple. Maxush, can you make a tea for mommy? Can you make a tea? Do you want some tea? Little man. Blue and red, yes. We have a bear. We have a duck. A man. A bear. A house. We have a house. We have a doggy. And butterfly. Look, it's a butterfly. And we have a cat. Cat face. Cat faces meow. Are you a feral cat, little man? Or are you a pet cat? Cat. Cat. Give me 5. Poop! Good job! Good job, little man. Did you enjoy today's lesson? Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Come on. In today's video, I want to give you some